Now, from ice melt to milk and eggs and bread, of course, many are buying all the essentials they need and getting prepared. New Jersey reporter Ryan Hughes has more on the rush to get those essentials.
It comes with $37.56.
For the past 2 days, registers have been ringing, and cashiers at Grocery Outlet Bargain Market in Sicklerville have been getting a workout while scanning some of the essential items many people are buying before the big snowstorm.
It looks like this time we're actually going to be getting some serious snow.
Christian Avilés is picking up snacks for his 2 young kids, one of his many stops while getting ready for Sunday's snowfall.
Getting little food items that we didn't pick up yesterday. So yeah, we're definitely trying to beat the rush because I know it's going to get crazy.
From fresh vegetables to the snow day staples, milk, bread, and of course, eggs.
Yesterday we sold 40 cases, and there's 15 dozen in every case. So that's been a big hit. And then obviously the essentials, meat, bread, milk, you know, you need to make sure you have enough of that no matter how long the snowstorm lasts.
And some shoppers in Cherry Hill woke up early and stopped by the Home Depot looking for a different kind of storm supplies.
Just came out with some ice melt and a new shovel, supposedly ergonomic, supposedly less strain on the back.
The rush is on in South Jersey before the major storm hits this weekend.
I'm excited. I like snow, especially when you don't have to work. I used to be a letter carrier. I'm glad I can just look at it and don't have to go out in it.
And the owner of the store tells me he has now sold over 10,000 eggs over the past 2 days. And this storm is still several days away. He is opening up an hour early on Saturday to give shoppers some extra time to prepare. Reporting in Sicklerville, Ryan Hughes, CBS News, Philadelphia.